YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Heavy Meats, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. This is probably gonna be a small POV. Some slight, you know, not nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm on my way to the gym right now, and every time I do go to the gym and I do take this car, I definitely need to give y'all a small POV, but you know, at the same time, I don't want to just bore y'all with the POVs. But honestly, when I do think about it, POVs is what got my channel up there, honestly. So I don't know. But then again, times have changed, so I try to keep different content coming. But updates, let's see. Okay, in about 2 weeks I get married, right? All right, cool. Also, oh God, bro, I don't know if y'all can hear it or the camera pick up. As y'all know, I do got the 17. I don't know if the camera does pick up that blow-off valve, but like in this weather, the blow-off valve, I'm gonna crack the window here so y'all can hear the blow-off valve. Hold on. Oh my God. Like for some reason, like the blow-off valve sounds like the torque storm just whistles so much louder in this weather. I guess this is where like centrifugal, you know, this is the type of weather that it shines in. This is the type of weather that these cars shine in, regardless stock. You know, stock. This is the type of weather that these cars shine in. But yeah, everything just sounds so much more crazier. But yeah, in about 2 weeks out from, you know, your boy being married, also, my custom welds came in. Now, they are 20s. You know what I should have did? I should have went with some 18s, but I end up going with 20s. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rock out with the 20s, and the only difference is I'm gonna put some 275 40 20s back there so they can look real chunky, real mean back there. And then the wheels that I got on the back right now, I'm gonna just stack. Well, I'm gonna probably honestly just do it for a video, even though I'm probably not gonna keep that look for long, because even though I really don't plan on driving this car none during the winter time, even though I don't drive it. This is gonna be garage kept and tucked away. Then next year, around summertime again. Whoa, I did not see that. Damn, his ass. I gotta go around this big ass lump bump, whatever the fuck it is, because I don't want to tear, excuse me, I don't want to tear my damn intercooler off and shit like that. So I'm gonna make sure I go around that. Gotta make sure I go around that bump. So let me bag up a little bit, and so I can make sure I go around, because it is right here, as y'all can see. I don't like shit like that, the ground concrete coming up and that shit getting up under my car and just tearing shit up. So I'm gonna just go around that shit. But yeah, so this is not gonna be a POV of me cutting up. I know that's what everybody really want to see, especially with the torque storm. I don't like the couple pulls that I have did in this torque storm, bro. Like the torque storm is crazy, budget friendly. Y'all let me know if y'all want a video on like prices and stuff like that. I mean, I can help to the best of my knowledge, but I can help to the best of my knowledge. I'm not gonna know everything, and I'm gonna let y'all know that right off the back. I'm not gonna know everything, or my prices might be different from your prices. You feel me? Because my research might be a little bit different. You might go with a different setup. Whatever the case is, I feel like people be trying to go like with the same exact setup of you, and that's hard to like kind of do, because, you know, at the end of the day, still be unique and, you know, do your own build. But some people, they be trying to copy your build. Like, they be trying to copy it like to the, like, almost like identical, like almost your twin, like that one Spider-Man meme, like when they pointing at each other, like shit like that. But anyways, yeah, so like I said, currently right now I'm on my way to the gym. If you made it this late in the video. As y'all can see, we do have, I don't know if I made a video on this hood yet. I probably did. But we do got no, I probably posted a picture. We do got the red-eyed Dodge Charger hood this time. And like at first I didn't like the hood, but honestly, a lot of it just grew on me. And not a lot of people got it. Now when I got that red-eyed Challenger hood with the 2 snorkels, bro, everybody and their mama started getting that motherfucker. And then like soon as I put this hood on there, motherfuckers like, you got the link, you got the link, you got the link, you got the link. Like motherfuckers just want to link to like damn, like you really can't have nothing for long, like when it comes to this Mopar shit. But you know that's what comes with it. Is it a bump coming up? Is that bump coming up? Oh yeah, it was. You can't, like with this Mopar stuff, man, you can't have nothing long term. Turn that down. As y'all do know, we are in the colder season, or getting colder season with the with just Chicago itself. So I know I've been pretty much slacking on the content, bro. It's like I went 30 days without posting, bro. I just been so locked in on other stuff that I know I need to get back to posting. But I don't be just trying to, you know, just be on this mug just talking. And because y'all, you know, some people, you know, they really do come to see the car and want to see how the car perform. But at the same time, you know, I'm human at the end of the day. And also, there are rules on the road that I do need to follow. I need my license. I got stuff going for me in life, and I'm not just gonna throw it away just for a couple YouTube clips or a couple YouTube videos just to satisfy somebody else. Man, what y'all see is, you know, when you come to this channel, what you gonna get, you feel me? So I'm not young no more. I'm not, you know, I don't be on all that hot shit. So it's like basically whatever you see, what you get. Now, in the future, I might end up throwing some 4Gs on this motherfucker. Like, I'm getting to that age. Not sure. The biggest I would probably go on the 4Gs is like some 22s and like, I don't know what type of tire I would run, like a 245, 30, 22, something like that to make it, you know, just to make it look mean. But you know, that's neither here nor there. That's just, you know, future plans. You know, I might. But when I do get home later on, and I am in the garage, I'm definitely gonna show y'all the welds that I got. Now I have a big surprise. Not really a surprise, but yeah, it is kind of a surprise. Now, what makes these one of one, you guys will see later on in the video. If y'all made it this far, y'all will see what makes them one of one. You feel me? So, and y'all let me know if y'all want a video on where I got them from, how everything went, the process, talking to, you know, the people and just stuff like that. But I'm not gonna bore y'all ear, so I'm gonna give y'all a couple of sound clips. Now I got the window up because it is cold, and I'm trying to test some other things. That's why my windows are up. And yeah, so I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna just drive. Hopefully y'all can, you know, hear. But yeah, that's a nice ass house. Also, man, another thing that I like about this hood is like literally the hole for the on the hood, like the vent, bro. It's like it's right there, like where the air needs to be sucked in for the Torque Storm Supercharger. And then also like the hole is not as big as like how those Hellcat ones are. So that's another thing I do like about this hood. And so like it just makes the Torque Storm actually a lot louder, honestly. That's some good ass views back here, bro. It actually look beautiful back here driving through here. Just look beautiful as hell. On the mountains. Alright, y'all. So that's gonna basically wrap up today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. Let me know what y'all think about this POV. Let me know if y'all want more of these TED Talks, or don't come to my comment talking about some show the car. Well, you know, it's just the POV, so of course I'm not gonna I usually get out the car and show the POV. You know what, I ain't gonna end it right here. When I get to the gym, I'm gonna go ahead and the end I'll do a walk around in the car so y'all can see the hood, because I don't know if I gave an exact video on the hood. So when I get out the car, when I get parked up, I'm gonna show y'all the hood, and then I will end the video off. So, but for right now, yeah. So I have made it to the gym. Let me go ahead and give y'all a final walk around before we go ahead and close the video. As y'all can see, we got that red eye. Yeah, like a red eye. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment section down below. Somebody gonna comment and say, another hood. Bro, I can do whatever the fuck I want with my money, man. It's my money, you feel me? No, worry about your own pockets, player. But yeah, we just made it to the gym though. Finna go ahead and hoop, get a nice little workout in, and then yeah. But I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.